Initially, I told you we better go for Skype, but I don't know why you wanted to have the session using Zoom.
but I didn't use Skype. First time I use
Okay, don't worry.
this application.
It's going to be very easy. I have started the recording. Are you able to see me?
Yes, yes, I'm able to see you.
The same is with me. I can also see you clearly. So first things first, we should start with our intro.
Yes, yes,
I would like you to introduce yourself first.
yes. I would like to introduce myself.
Yes,
Okay,
go on.
my name is Satpal. I do job in Indian Army as a post of clerk, and I have done post graduation from Lovely Professional University Jalandhar, and now I am pursuing MLS from LPU, Lovely Professional University, and I am married person, and I have a short-term goal to learn spoken English, and my big long-term goal is become a police officer. And my idol person is my father. Thank you.
Okay, that's amazing. So I am a bit confused here. That are you in the army or are you preparing for army?
Yes, because I have completed 15 year in this field.
Oh,
After completing my 15 years, I would like to go in police.
okay. Is it 50 or 15?
15.
Okay, you have completed your 15 years or you have served the nation. Now you're looking for something else. I really
Yes.
respect you for this, and I have an immense amount of respect for army officers or the people those who are in defense. I also come from a
Thank
family
you.
background where my father is a sub inspector. He is in Delhi police.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
And
Yeah,
please,
so you are very crazy about communication skills. Have you ever got any chance where you talk to your officers in English?
yes, sometimes I talk with my officer in office time, but I have to speak with more because sometimes I could not speak with them because I was very nervous and I feel very panic during conversation. And I watch your some videos on YouTube. Then I choose you. I should if I want to increase my communication skill because practice is well option and practice is very effective for spoken English. Through the speaking, we can enhance our communication skill.
Hmm.
And then I send you message if you want to talk with me. It will better for you and me.
Yes, yes, yes. And I'm always ready to have sessions, but sometimes time is the problem. Like I'm not busy, that's why I might not take the session at the same time. I postpone it or I procrastinate it. Okay, tomorrow I'll do that. But I always bear this in mind. Okay, that person sent me a message, and it becomes my honest. I must talk to this person, or I must give this person a chance where he can learn, so can I.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have any questions? Do you want to know how to improve English? Anything you would like to know?
No. I don't know any question. Please tell yourself.
All right, sure. So, my name is Sunil. I'm from Delhi. Talking about my educational qualification, I'm a graduate. When it comes to my hobby, I like listening to music. So, that's it.
Okay, good. Your introduction is very short and but your introduction was good and you
Hmm.
completing your introduction in short words.
Hmm. Okay,
And
let me. Yes, go on.
yes, now you are pursuing. You are studying.
No, I'm done with my education. As I told you, I have done B Tech or I have done
Okay.
graduation. Yes.
Okay, okay,
So I think that is enough for me. I do not have any zeal to go for higher education. I'm done with this.
okay, okay. Good, good. And right now, what are you doing?
Okay, right now what I do is I'm living my dream, I must say. I give English spoken classes. I have been a teacher of English for quite some time, and I enjoy
Okay,
this profession. Yes.
good, good. And
So
you are English teacher.
yes, I am. What I do is I do not conduct academic classes. I only conduct English spoken classes
Okay,
where I have some students. I make them go for debates. I make them take part in discussions. I make them take part in role plays. We go for
okay,
extempore. We go for job interviews, or we also go for storytellings. And there are so many things we usually go for.
okay, good. And I have need any teacher because I am learner and you are also teacher, English teacher. Now,
Okay, you can also do one thing. Recently, I have started an online course. If you get enrolled yourself in this course, I guarantee that you are going to see some changes in your speaking, in your writing, or in your reading. So from today, I started that batch. Or if you want to know more about that batch, so we can discuss it after this call.
okay, okay.
Yes.
Can you tell about your course
Okay, now. So
now?
in that course, that as I told you, that recently I have started that course where I'm going to take care of my students' grammatical errors or the
Yes,
problems they usually have. Now I feel that everyone is capable of speaking, but the problem is that if you want to be different from others, you have
yes,
to make sure you do not make many mistakes.
yeah,
Mistakes will happen if you try something new or when you learn a language. It is important, I must say, it is indispensable to make mistakes, but make sure you get to know, okay, this is the mistake and why it is a mistake. If I am using this sentence, if I'm using this verb, if I'm using this helping verb, why it is incorrect. So I'm going to tell you each and everything in that course. I would make sure you are going to have the right pronunciation. These days, people know everything. You can learn vocabulary from your end. You can memorize some grammatical rules or rules for tenses, rules for modals. You might also watch some videos for articles, adjectives, preposition, conjunctions, and so on. But when it comes to pronunciation, there is a
yes,
way to learn pronunciation. If you
yes.
have the appropriate pronunciation, then you can speak confidently or you can have compelling communication skills. This is what we want. So, this is all about my English course.
Okay, okay, good. Because you, as you told me,
Hmm.
they all know about tenses, verb, adverb, article, prepositions,
Hmm.
but hmm, we know also, but we can't speak
Hmm.
in front of the people
Right.
because sometimes we feel very nervous
Hmm.
and we scared. We are not
Right.
confident because we do not we are not habitual.
Hmm.
Like I'm speaking Hindi in our house and I speak with my families.
Hmm.
I don't feel nervous and I can speak fluent. But that time I speak English, I can't speak a single word. But now 15 to 10, 20 days I speak with my daughter with English and I feel very happy and I feel joy and sometimes I watch a lot of videos on YouTube. That time I watch videos in my mind, I feel I should speak English, but I can't speak.
Mhm.
But in office, sometimes I speak English with my friends. They try to speak with me, but after speak some sentence, automatically they are convert in Hindi
I know that. Yes,
because they
I.
also
Mm-hmm. Yes,
because
go on.
they are not also speak English. Yes,
Hmm. Yes, and this is relatable. I guess every person has this experience. Whenever we
yes,
try to have a word with our colleague, that point of time they make fun of us. Initially, you can discuss things in English for 2 minutes or for 5 minutes. First 5 minutes would be fine, but after that, we feel that okay, we are exaggerating or we are not doing right things. And people will use Hindi there. Sometimes they also use some foul languages, or they also
yeah,
use some filthy words.